How to fix camera glitch on Roblox mobile. If you want to fix your camera glitch that you're facing on the Roblox mobile app, there could be many reasons why this is actually happening. The first thing you want to make sure is that it's not the issue with your internet connection. After that, what you do is, if you're using an Android phone, you simply go to settings. From settings, you scroll down and look for the section called apps, and then just tap on the apps button. And from apps, what you do is simply search for Roblox. So use the search bar and type in Roblox and go to its app information page. From app info, you simply scroll and go to the option called storage. And from the bottom, you can clear the cache files. Now you come back and just go to the option called permissions at the very top again. And make sure to allow camera permission. So you can see I have not allowed camera permission. So I'll tap on camera and I'll select allow while using the app. Once I've done that, if you're using iPhone, try to offload and reinstall the app and also try to look for camera access. Now go to your respective app stores and search if the Roblox app has an update, and if it does, then make sure to update it to the latest version. So hopefully one of these may have helped you solve the problem, and if you have any questions, feel free to leave them down below. Thank you for watching and see you soon in our next video.